Hello, welcome to Chapter 5, Small Business Entry, Paths to Part-Time Entrepreneurship. So we're going to start with describing when and why part-time entrepreneurship makes sense. It makes sense when you need to gain basic experience, when you lack resources for a full-time business, and when you face a narrow window of opportunity. We have to assess the feasibility of opportunities to enter into a part-time business. Part-time entrepreneurs typically want a low cost to start the firm. They want a short time to start the firm and want a firm to appear permanent. Home is where most part-time businesses start. Care for preparation of your home office and family are essential to home-based success. Having an effective website is key. It can be informational and/or e-commerce in purpose. Key issues are optimizing visibility and managing the payment process. Home retailing includes many things. Home retailing has come a long way in the past few years. We used to have a lot of it with Tupperware and home interior parties, Norwex. We have several things that are very, very effective in the home-based business. You know, some things have become more effective and some others haven't. So you want to optimize visibility and managing the payment process. Home retailing includes shopping parties, door-to-door, and network marketing. Key issues for home businesses include having a good host and having a solid technique. Stand-based businesses include roadside stands, flea markets, farmers markets, and fairs. Key issues for stands are location, where traffic is high, and adequate inventory. Pop-up businesses reduce startup costs and allow entrepreneurs to experiment with their business models. It is possible to make money without opening a business by using the consignment process through shops or specialized sales agents. We use the BRE model to identify key boundaries and exchange issues. Boundary: you need to manage your time carefully and keep business and home separate. In exchange, you'll need to register with the government, pay your taxes, and comply with zoning regulations. You'll also need to keep careful track of your costs, including the cost of your own time. Delegation is getting others to do your work. It can help an entrepreneur get more done. Managing the delegated work and the people performing it is a key challenge for the entrepreneur. Outsourcing is paying experts to take on the functional tasks of your business. You may outsource to experts anything but the tasks that make your firm unique. The two ethical challenges of part-time business are moonlighting and aggrandizing. Moonlighting can result in cannibalizing sales from your employer or poisoning the well by making your employer's customers angry. Aggrandizing can happen when a part-time firm tries to present itself as a full-time one or bigger than one really is. The key challenges of moving to full-time self-employment are mainly financial. Do a business plan to assess your financial situation in the new business. When you make the move, do it when support from your family and previous employer are at the strongest. And consider increasing part-time work hours until you are working at 2 full-time jobs, and then quit to devote your full time to your firm.